How to mirror your phone screen with a tap on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and tap on connected devices. Then scroll down and tap on SmartThings. In here, tap on the menu button and then tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on tap view and tap sound. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, if you like to mirror your phone screen, you can tap at the back of your phone to the TV or the soundbar. So here it said that you can tap the device with the back of your phone to mirror your phone screen on the device or continue listening to your phone's music. Now for TV, you can tap on the side of the TV like that. For soundbar, you can tap anywhere on the soundbar. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.